Yapıyoruz kadın.
Alright, y'all, so I am sharing my live everywhere. Okay, guys, so I am showing you guys, like, literally, like, there are some people who said they go natural, right? This plant right here is called the Tulsi plant. This plant right here is called the neem plant, right? See that, guys? This is what your herbs look like. When you have, like, the naturalists saying, oh, you know what? I know about herbs. Well, these are the herbs. These are the fresh herbs. And that right there is the neem plant. Oh, I'm sorry. Am I in the way? Okay. So, you guys see all the beautiful plants here? You see that? This is nature. This is health. This is life. And these are living plants, guys, believe it or not. Right? So all of them fake herbalists saying, I do herbs, I can heal, I can do this, I can do that. Well, this is Mother Nature. This is what heals. This is your medicine right here. Places like this. And when I leave here, I'm going to tell you guys the name of the place so they can get some business. Alright, guys. So we're walking through, and as you see all the fresh produce, right? This right here, guys, this is nature, this is life. I'm trying to teach you guys a few things. All right, so I'm going to put this down because I don't want to get anybody in the live. I just want to show the products. Okay. All right, guys. Actually, I want the aloe vera Vaseline. I'm actually getting some Vaseline, guys, but I'm gonna get the cocoa butter because I don't see the aloe vera. All right, I'm gonna put that in the cart. Now I'm gonna show you guys the soap I use during COVID. This soap right here. So this bar, wait a minute, here it is, guys. This bar right here is called Life Boy. This is a real good brand of soap, so I'm gonna show you guys. Wait a minute, let me get one. Okay, so you see this brand, it says it's silver activated. Silver kills all germs. That's why when you go to the dentist office, right, when you go to your dentist office, they're always using like silver tools in your mouth because germs can't live on silver. So they have this soap in different flavors for different stuff. Okay, so I'm gonna sit you guys back in my purse. I have to adjust my bracelet. Okay, and what else I want to show you guys? Okay, wait, I'm gonna set my phone here. Okay, so I don't know if I showed you guys the lemon Life Boy, but this stuff right here works miracles, guys. See right here where it says germ protection, right? And that's because it has silver in it. silver shield. See it at the top? Okay. Now, this stuff right here, this is so good. Like, I use this to keep my hair from falling out. I have like so much of this stuff. So this one is aloe vera, but I actually use the one with amla. The aloe is real good for your hair. And then I'll take you guys around so you can see like the different oils and stuff like that that I use. Okay? All right, guys. So and I don't know if you guys are like really into nourishing your hair, but coconut oil is really, really good for your hair, seriously. But for me, I am actually going to grab these guys because this olive oil, and this is extra virgin, this is real good. This olive oil is $1.29. So I'm gonna get the red pepper, and I'm gonna do rosemary. Look at that price, guys. See that? $1.29. Regular price $2.49. So you cannot beat that. Okay. So now I'm going to take you guys to look at some health products with me, okay? Ooh. Oh my goodness, you guys. Like, I literally just went past this avocado oil. But this is like one of the best oils to cook in. And oh my god, I cannot believe they actually got some more of this red palm oil, but I actually have some at home. But this stuff right here, guys, you can put this, like Dr. Sebi was talking about this stuff, right? But there's one in specific that they use in Honduras that's really, really good for your hair. But it's the same stuff, like it's literally like palm oil, but they call it something else for the one in Honduras. But it's the same stuff, right? Okay, and this one comes from Africa. Okay, so I'm actually gonna get me the coconut water. Does this come with a straw? Okay, so since it comes with no straw, I'm gonna actually get this one. Or I'll just see if they have one cold. Alright guys, so I literally have like thousands of dollars of products, like literally all herbs at home, right? So I'm just gonna share some of this with you guys, right? This is neem. This is good for your blood. Wheatgrass. I know you guys heard Dr. Sebi talk about wheatgrass. Like, wheatgrass is also good for your blood. I'm not gonna be on this live saying, oh, it does this, it does that. Like, no, because I know what it does, and with Google and AI, you guys can look stuff up and see what it does for yourself. But they have this stuff here in all different sizes. So I'm showing you guys like the top rack, okay? So you can see. And this is one of my favorites here, pomegranate juice. Oh my goodness, if you guys literally look up the benefits, the health benefits of pomegranate juice, like it'll literally like blow your mind. Okay, you guys see what this says? There's no need for me to actually tell you what it says because you see it, right? So all of this here, right, guys, this is all good for your health. Oh my goodness, and this one right here, woo! I have a bunch of this at home. This one in particular. And this one too. And this one too. Okay. So, all right, guys. I am in a store where they get everything literally, like, if you guys see, all of this stuff is imported, and it's all herbs, all from nature, all from God, right? Okay, so we're gonna go to this section. Like I told you guys, I'm gonna show you. I'm not gonna get anybody in my life, but I'm gonna show you guys like what to use in your hair if you're looking to do things for your hair. Now, me personally, you guys may like laugh, right? But I use this as a detangler for my hair. Look at the price on that. Woo! You see that, right? But I'll do like a small bottle of it. But even the small bottles are high. The smallest one is $5.99. But this is good to detangle hair. Like, I promise you guys, you may laugh because it's ghee, but this is so good for detangling your hair. Okay. Now, oh my God, and I don't like to be like literally over exaggerating products, guys, but like, I'm telling the truth. I'll show you guys my hair. See? Okay. Now, we're gonna go up here. This was the viral TikTok amla. And I have a lot of this amla at home. Now, when you go to a place where amla is like literally imported, you see this? There's different versions of amla. So, and then like this amla comes directly from Pakistan. Okay, so you see these words, they're even written in a different language. So this amla comes directly from, wait, we're gonna put that back, from Pakistan. Now, a lot of you guys go for people online where they're selling this stuff for 20 bucks or, right? But this is what I get it for. Now, the biggest box is this guy. See that? See how huge that one is in comparison to that one? Like, look at the height. The height goes up taller, right? This one is this price. Okay? This one is that price. So it's affordable, guys. It's affordable. And there's different versions of amla gold. This is amla jasmine. Jasmine is another essential oil that's really, really good. And again, I'm not going to talk about benefits and all of that stuff because it's like you guys kind of already know. This right here, oh my God, I know you guys, a lot of you guys know the power in black seed oil. Okay, this is black seed mixed with coconut and black henna. So this keeps your hair strong, it keeps your hair black, it's good for your hair, it's so good. Okay, and this is refined castor oil. Okay, and this is the price. And look at that big, large bottle of it. And that's the price. And here's some amla. Again, this brand is literally, this brand is imported from Pakistan. Like this whole store, most of this stuff here, it comes from Pakistan, right? Right? You see that? And you guys know there's a lot of health benefits in this. So I'm not singing a song about the health benefits, guys. No, we're not gonna do that, okay? Olive oil, coconut oil, okay? Argan oil, cactus. I mean, guys, this right here, all this comes from God for us, for our hair. Mustard hair oil. I've never used mustard hair, like that was always used for other stuff with my family in the Caribbean. One time I accidentally cooked in it when I was a kid. I put it in some curry and my auntie was like, what gal? Here's some egg protein for damaged hair. And over here you have rice. All different brands of real, this is real rice, guys. Look at the bag. Woo! The weight, everything. This is not the kind of like rice that you will find in an Americanized store. So again, guys, we literally just came down here for the one thing, so I can show you guys what you can use for your hair, okay? So we'll run through it just a little bit. This is the olive oil. Red henna oil. Curry leaves. Hair oil. Regular aloe vera. Jasmine oil. Hot oil. Shea oil. Almond. Argan. Rosemary. Castor. And like I said, this stuff, even if you guys go, like, I don't know, for people who just need to like detangle their hair, this is what I use. And I don't tell everybody what I use, but that's what I use. Okay, so we're gonna turn back around because down here is just like some snacks. I cannot believe, like, I've been looking for that red palm oil here for such a while. Okay, so I'm gonna go to the fridge area to see if I can find the coconut oil. I mean, the coconut water. Ooh, we're gonna get some mangoes, y'all. I'm actually gonna get two. I'm gonna get this one. These mangoes are 2 for $1, y'all. I'm gonna get this one and I'm gonna get this one. No, I'm not getting that one. Let me get this one. Okay. And we gonna look. Oh, ooh. And if you guys ever need energy, like, this is called a sugar cane stick. And basically, like, you peel off and then, like, you eat, you would chew the sugar cane juice out of this. And it's a whole lot of sugar cane juice in this, y'all. And this give you more energy, more natural energy than a cup of coffee. Just a little piece of it gives you a lot of energy. Like, it's some real good stuff going on, y'all. So we're gonna come over here and see if there is a cold coconut water. Ooh. I don't see no cold coconut water, y'all. But there is a ginger beer, so maybe I'll put the coconut water back. That's what I'm gonna do. And I'm actually gonna get me a pineapple ginger beer. Okay. Yes, y'all. That's sugar cane juice. Okay, look. So see here? They're actually selling, they press out the sugar cane juice. And they're selling it like $4.99 each. Okay? And again, this is the sugar cane sticks. And like, they're affordable. What you sell these for?
Sugar cane.
Yeah, the sugar cane sticks. Okay. You see this, guys? So this is so much better than coffee. Okay? So we're gonna go around. Juicy watermelons! Ooh! Here's a whole papaya. Look, y'all, it's nothing but life here. And you actually make your herbal juice out of these plants. And then you can like regrow them because the seeds are inside of them. And that's something actually, you guys, that we're missing in the States is the seeds. They don't give us seeds to anything. And this is the name of these plants. Okay? Here's some down here. That's the price and that's the name. Now over here is like herbal toothpaste. So like none of this toothpaste, like the herbal brand, have fluoride in it. This is all like herbal. I'm not talking about the American names, but even these they make these better for Pakistani than they do in America. Like, so like the brand itself is just totally better. So ugh. I don't really see what I actually came here for. They don't have it. They don't have it, so I can't just put anything in my hair. And then, you guys, like this, I'll take baths in that when I'm sick. Clove oil is really, really good. neem oil is really, really good. So I will say thank you guys for shopping with me. I'm gonna check this one more area though, because look, they have some cute, there's some cute kitty bears. See that, guys? Oh my god, it's so cute. Look at that. Yay. Okay, so we're gonna go over to this area and okay, we're gonna go see. Hold on, I don't want to get anybody in my life. Okay, so we're gonna go see if they have my other stuff over here. I really don't see what I came for. My cart's not gonna go through there, so I'm just gonna walk. Okay. There are incense over here. Yeah, there's just incense and nothing really that I'm gonna use. So oh yeah, and I also said I'm gonna put back my coconut juice. So let's do that first so that I don't make them do it. Pardon me, sir. You are so adorable, baby. Having fun with Grandpa? He wants you to pull them toes. Okay. Yeah, you're welcome. So we're gonna put, where's the coconut water? Okay, we're gonna put the coconut water back because I'm going to actually just get the pineapple ginger juice. The coconut water is warm, so it's not really gonna do much for me. So we are back. Let's get it out the cart. There it is. I try not to make them put it back, right? Okay. All right, guys. So I am going to get in line, and this is what we have in the cart. Let me show you guys. Jamaican pineapple beer. We have the 2 juicy mangoes. Oh my goodness, guys. We have the mint leaves. That's upside down, but we have the mint leaves and they smell so good. We have the Japanese onions. And hold on, let me get that in the cart. Some napkins. We have the red pepper, aloe vera, extra virgin, the basil, extra virgin. Ooh! And we have the cocoa butter Vaseline. I actually wanted the aloe vera because that one smells the best. So I want to thank you guys for joining me on my live. We actually had a good time shopping, and I will take you guys on another trip, another journey, live stream. Okay, let me put my big face back in the camera. See you guys till next time. Oh my god, this baby is so cute, guys, but I'm not putting babies on camera. Bye.